Jaguar F-Type S, either a coupe or a convertible, has proved easy to fall in love with. It's one of the best looking cars in the world, period. And it has been endowed since launch with lovely engine options on either end of the range, athletic rear drive handling, and a tuneful exhaust that sets one's heart to thumping. So how does Jaguar improve on such a winning formula? The answer that enthusiasts have hoped for is that Jag offer its sports machine with a traditional manual gearbox. And for the 2016 model year, those hopes have been fulfilled. Always willing to take one for the team, I flew out to New York State to drive the 2016 F-Type S coupe, fitted with a new manual transmission. The trip included time in the F-Type RAWD that you'll hear more about later, and a long stint in the Range Rover Sport SVR, so I wasn't exactly shy about requesting the gig. The short version is that the F and the 6MT get along like special sauce, lettuce, and cheese.